testimonial about menstruation, a young woman who's had really bad cramps since she was 15, and after 3 months of practice, it's all gone.
Wow, fantastic. Oh, I wish I'd known about it years ago.
I know. She was taking 2 weeks in every month out of her life. We were going to talk about the subject of menopause, which is a subject that I'm very familiar with. When I started this method, I had hot flushes. I'd never been so warm in my life, and I was very overweight, terrible sugar drop, awful mood swings. I know that you had some sort of...
The very first symptoms that I had were panic attacks and severe anxiety brought on by the panic attacks. And then I went to the doctor and she said it was probably related to menopause because it was 4 months since my last period, so perimenopause. And then I started having hot flushes and I thought, oh, that's fine, it's just menopause. But then I got hit with all the rest: loss of libido, vaginal dryness, mood swings, teariness, upset, complete lack of energy. I thought, bloody hell, this sucks. Nobody tells you about this, because I'd always thought, yeah, I'm just going to cruise through menopause. It's going to be no problem. And I was like, I can't do this for another 2 to 5 years. I just can't. So I was looking around for solutions. I went to naturopaths and I got some herbal remedies, which kind of tided me over until I started doing the Buteyko courses. Soon as I did the first course, the symptoms just reversed. I wasn't having the hot flushes anymore. I wasn't having the panic attacks anymore. They just kind of stopped and then reversed, and everything, completely disappeared, went back to normal, and then better than normal. And that was November 2015, so 2.5 years ago. And I haven't had a single menopausal symptom since. I haven't had any more periods, but I just feel fantastic. It's just like none of that stuff that you think, you just have to go through this because I'm a woman, and you don't. And it's just brilliant, because I just was so depressed at the thought that this is it, just gradual slide downhill to the grave. And now I'm like, no, I feel fantastic. Looking forward to just, feeling good as I age and just, feeling great.